Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, The Global Tongue, and I'm Sanjit Kumar Vishwakarma. I hope you remember me by now, and this is my channel, The Global Tongue, and in this channel we talk about communication. And today I have a new topic to cover altogether. I have created a new playlist, and that would particularly be for US travel sales. All right, so in this channel I have three playlists. So first one is for communication, that is predominantly for communication, and the second is train your brain, and that is for improving a thought process, and this is third category, which is US travel sales. And in this category we'll be covering only about US travel sales, right? So we'll learn how travel industry works and how to get into US travel sales, and what all qualities should you have to get into travel process. So I will tell you A to Z about US travel sales, how what kind of scenarios we get when we pick up calls, and how travel industry works, right? Because I often see people, they want to get into US travel process, but they do not have the proper knowledge how to get into it, because a lot of the companies, they want all experienced candidates, right? But I will help you guys to get travel process knowledge so that you guys can get into different companies, right? And after the process training will be done, so I'll also tell you what all companies are, what all companies are there who require candidates who have got knowledge about US travel sales, all right? So before we get into travel sales, so let me tell you the overview about travel process. So in travel process, we have unlimited incentives first of all right? If you have a nice knowledge, and you can earn nice incentive for yourself apart from the salary, and the incentive could range from 10,000 to 2 lakh, 3 lakhs a month. That depends on your performance. If you are able to meet the grid, then you can earn incentive for yourself, all right? And the base incentive nowadays, start from $7,500, or some companies would have $8,000, and some would have $10,000 as well. You make and you get 40,000, 50,000, incentive as such, all right? So this is all about the incentive part. And now let's quickly get into travel, all right? So before we start a travel process training, so I would like to educate you about the countries that we dial for. So US travel sales, as I've been into travel sales since 2014, and I have been dealing with American customers, some Latin American, Central American customers as well, and Canadian customers as well, all right? So first of all, the calls that we get often from would be either majorly is from US, then we get from Canada, and then we get from South America, all right? So let's talk about North America. So in North America, we have majorly three countries. First is America, you already know, and the second one is Canada, and third one is Mexico. So if you're working for US travel process, which is focusing more on the US part, so you will be getting calls all the way from within US, all right? So customers will be calling in to make a reservation. They would like to fly from one airport to another airport. So this is for you within US. And then there will be some customer who would like to fly from US to Canada, all right? And then some would be there who would like to fly from US to Mexico or to Latin America. So majorly all the airlines would operate from US, all right? So now what we will do here, so we will first of all improve or learn states, 50 states, all right? As US is a big country, so it has 50 states. And then we will learn airports. And airports and the codes, which is been given by IATA. International Air Transfer Association. And then we'll be learning about major airlines and LCC, low cost carrier. All right, and then we'll learn about the tool. Some companies would have a tool called MADS, right? And if we talk about small companies, those who do not have ARC is, when you have all your ticketing stuff. So companies who do not have ARC, they don't use MADS, they use a different tool. So we'll be covering that as well. And then we'll learn about how to make reservation, like call types first of all. How many types of calls we get in travel process, all right? And then we will learn how to open the call. So we'll learn call opening. And the third thing we'll learn how to make reservation. All right? And then we'll learn about how to explain the charges to the customer. All right? So these all things we'll cover in US travel. So once you have these knowledge, so then any company would be able to take you in. So if you have liked my video, kindly give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye bye guys.